on the water, but you know, it's a private lake. Private, so we should be able to catch pretty good fish today.
That's good. Here with the buddy Seth. First time fishing, out on the water. It's gonna be a good day. It's not too cold. Yeah, it's gonna be a fun day.
See that?
Mm-hmm.
Someone. Open the bell.
You know what pound line you got on it? I have 4.
Make sure the drag is loose, because if you hook up on
yeah, the fish here are gonna be big.
Yeah, they're pretty decent sized here.
I forgot to mention this earlier, but this is a topo map of the lake that we're fishing, and we are fishing right around 2 feet to about 5 feet deep.
This is such a complicated packaging.
Am I even supposed to jig this lure?
What do you got on? You want me to take a look at it?
It's just like a little jig head, I think.
Let me see it. Bring it up.
Glow in the dark.
Oh, dude, you need something on there. You need like a tickle tail.
Cover all 9,000 taste bud. Aerate it. Warm it up.
Okay, so finally got set up. We're here at Wellington. It's a beautiful day. It's probably about 50 degrees. Would you say 50? Something around there. It's been pretty good. It's nice and sunny, a little bit of cloud cover. Starting off today with a Rapala. We're starting off the day with a rainbow trout Rapala. We're gonna give her and hopefully we get some luck.
Huge brookie. Bro, get a picture.
Bro,
Look at this brookie. Look at this. He's all dirty. I want to like clean him off, but you know how that goes.
Terrible fish handling by Miguel.
Sorry. He rehooked himself.
I'm gonna tie that on. I'm gonna tie that on.
That's about the size of one that I had.
That's a nice brookie, bro.
Yeah, go ahead.
You just gotta like drop in after a while. You just gotta change, and they're there.
You got the tickle.
Yeah.
You good, release it.
I will send you to Jesus.
There. He's running.
Another one.
Seth's on. That little tickle tail, huh?
Yeah.
Sun's coming out, it's getting brighter.
Let's go. Bring him up. Bring him up. Bring him up. That is a tank. Bro. That's a tank.
Good stuff, Seth.
Thing is nice.
That was nice.
That was a good fight too.
Good stuff, bro. That was sick.
Bro, that's a big one. That's another big one.
Beauty.
Smooth. Smooth release.
A little bit of a wrap on today. It's a great day. Got 5 fish total. 6 fish total. Let's see, 4 of them being brookies, the other 2 being rainbows. Seth caught 2, I got 2, and Miguel got 2. So, great day. No wind, nice and warm out, perfect weather. Couldn't ask for a better day.
A little tickle tail, dude. It's a little sperm.
What?